Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a tree in data structure. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a tree in data structure? Tree data structure is a specialized data structure to store data in a hierarchical manner. It is used to organize and store data in the computer to be used more effectively. It consists of a central node, structural node, and subnodes which are connected via edges. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a tree in data structure, to be specific, being used in computer science. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.